Children, I hope you all have learned the chapter 3 completely, and I hope there is no doubts in that. Now we will go to chapter 4, where we are going to see the divisibles, multiples and factors. Okay, first we are going to see what is divisible. What is divisible? Divisible means that your number is divided with another number without leaving any remainder. Without leaving any remainder is called as divisible. Okay children, now when I tell you all, if I give you all 64 divided by 8, yes, you know 8 times table, so 8 8s are 64. Then if I say 27 divided by 3, yes, 9 3s are 27. Yes children, now in case if I give you all a bigger number, for example, if I give you all 4,223 24, 4,224, and I ask you whether it is divisible by 2 or not, then you have to see, or you have to put the tables and find out, yes, by dividing. So the easy method of this is what? See in the ones place. This is the ones place, of course, yes or no? This is ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. In the ones place, if you have 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0, any of these numbers in the ones place, then you can say it is divisible by 2. So now I can say this is of course divisible by 2. Even if I put this one. Okay. Now if I say 3,526, 3,526, it is divisible by 2 or not? Yes, it is divisible. Why it is divisible means because it has 6 in the ones place. It has 6 in the ones place. So it is divisible by 2. So what is your test of divisibility rule for 2? The number which has 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in the ones place, then it is divisible by 2. Then it is divisible by 2. Yes. Okay. Now we go for multiples of 5 or divisible by 5. Yes children. Divisible by 5 is what? In the ones place, there should be 5 or 10. 5 or 0. See, for example, 3,250. Can I say it is divisible by 5 or not? Yes, it is divisible by 5. How? See, in the ones place, this is the ones place, it should have 0 or 5. In these two numbers, if there is any number in the ones place, then we can say it is divisible by 5. Yes children. Now if I tell you all, okay, 9,995, is this divisible by 5? Yes, it is divisible by 5. Why? Because it has 5 in the ones place. It has 5 in the ones place. So it is divisible by 5. Yes children. So what is the test of divisibility rule of 5? If we have 0 or 5 in the ones place, then it is divisible by 5. So what is the test of divisibility rule for 2? If it has 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in the ones place, then it is divisible by 2. Then test of divisibility rule of 5 is, if it has 0 or 5 in the ones place, then it is divisible by 5. Now we will see the divisibility rule of 10. What is the divisibility rule of 10? In the ones place, if it has 0, only 0, then we can say it is divisible by 10. It is divisible by 10. For even if I say, okay, 9,820. Yes, 9,820. Yes, we say it is divisible by 10 because it has 0 in the ones place. It has 0 in the ones place. So, I think you all have understood the test of divisibility rule for 2, 5 and 10. So, test of divisibility rule for 2 is if it has 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in the ones place, then it is divisible by 2. And for the test of divisibility rule of 5 is if it has 5 or 0 in the ones place, then it is divisible by 5. Then for the 10 divisibility rule for 10 is if it has 0 in the ones place, then it is divisible by 10. Yes, children. So I hope you all have understood this one. Okay. Now in this, now you can see this one. Okay, you can see this okay children, shall we see the checkpoint of 4.1. Circle the number that is divisible by 2. See the first one. It can be divisible by 2 because it is 236. 6 is in the ones place. And this 6771 cannot be done because it is not divisible by 2. This 8765 is also cannot be divisible by 2. But 5030 is divisible by 2 because there is a 0 in the ones place. Yes, and 407 is not divisible by 2. Then 3025 is not divisible by 2. 1584 is divisible by 2 because it has 4 in the ones place. Then 743 is not divisible by 2. Okay. Then 1908 is divisible by 2 because it has 8 in the ones place. Okay, children. Now we'll go to the next main. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 5? Yes, children, in this you can see 1090, 875 and 885 is divisible by 5 because they have 0 and 5 in the ones place. Yes. Then write the numbers between 456 and 522 that are divisible by 10. That are only divisible by 10. So we can say, so it should be 460, 470, 480, 490, 500, 510 and 520. These are all divisible by 10 because it is only the 10 counts. Okay, children. Okay. Now we'll go to the application based question. The application based question, the first question is the boxes in the number given below should be filled with the digit. Find all the possible digits can be filled in it. See here children, this should be divisible by 2. Yes. So here in the box you can write either 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. So these numbers, any of the numbers can be divisible by 2. Here 649 is divisible by 5. You can enter any of the two numbers, that is 0 or 5. Likewise here 785 is divisible by 10. That means it should have only 0 in the ones place. Here also it should have only 0 or 5 in the ones place. Here also it should have only 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0 in the ones place. Yes, children. Yeah. Then, now we'll see. A roll of cloth measures 175 meters. Can it be cut into equal number of pieces, each measuring 5, without any length of cloth left over? Yes. See, because yes, it can be here 5 divided by 175. Yes, you can do it because 5, it has 5 in the ones place. So, yes, it can be cut. 175 divided by 5 is equal to 35. Yes, children? Yes. Here, Rakesh has 78 marbles. Can he share the marbles equally with his brother? Because Rakesh and his brother, both of them are there. Only 2. That means 78 is here. 78 can be divided by 2. Yes or no? Because it has 8 in the ones place. 8 in the ones place. So, we say that 78 can be divided by both. Yes, it can be shared. 78 divided by 2 is equal to 39. Yes, children, I think you have understood. Okay, children, now we are going to see what is multiples. Multiples is nothing but only your tables. The given numbers table. Now, for example, if I ask you to write the multiples of 2, that means what will you write? If I ask you to write the multiples of 2, that means you have to write 2 ones 2, 2 twos 4, 2 threes 6, like that. So the multiples will be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. Yes, children. So this we call it as multiples. Multiples means the simple tables. Okay, children, can you tell me the multiples of 7? Yes, very good. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63 and 70. Yes, children. So this is your tables. 7 1 7, 7 2s 14, 7 3s 21, 7 4s 28, 7 5s 35, 7 6s 42, 7 9s 7 7s is 49, 7 8s 56, 7 9 63 and 7 10 70. Yes, children. So your multiples means is nothing, only your tables. Only your tables. Yes, children. So tables. Now these multiples have some properties. These multiples have property. What are the properties? Let's see. Every number of a multiple of 1. Every number is a multiple of 1. Yes, children. How can you tell that? Because see, every number 6 into 1 is 6. 7 into 1 is 7. 8 into 1 is 8. 20 into 1 is 20. 30 into 1 is 30. 35 into 1 is 35. So it is a multiple of 1. Yes, children. Now the second property. A multiple of a number is greater than or equal to the number. Yes. So the multiple of a number, if it is, see, multiple of a number, that means what? 2's multiple, it is 2, it is greater. 4 is greater than 2, 6 is greater than 2, 8 is greater than 2, 10 is greater than 2, 12 is greater than 2, 14 is greater than 2. So that only is the second property. A multiple of a number is greater than or equal to the number. So here I have taken 2 multiples. So 2 multiples, 2 is here. That is equal and all the rest are greater. 7 also is the same thing. 7 is equal and all the rest are greater. Yes, children. So that is your second property. Now third property. Every number is a multiple of itself. Every number is a multiple of itself. Yes, 2 ones 2. So it is multiplied by itself. Yes, 2 into 2. 2 twos 4. Like that. Yes. A number can, fourth property, a number can have any number of multiples. A number can have any number of multiples. Yes. Now, here there's 2 tables. can have, I have stopped till 10. 10 to 20. It can even go 2 11s, 2 12s, 2 13s, 2 14, 2 hundreds, like that. It has any number of multiples. A number can have any number of multiples. Yes, it can be multiplied any number of times. So these are the multiples property. So what is the properties here of multiples? First property, every number of is a multiple of 1. Second property, a multiple of a number is greater than or equal to the number. Third property, every number is a multiple of itself. Fourth property, a number can have any number of multiples. So it can have any number of multiples. Yes, children. Now we can see the next one, the common multiples. What is common multiples? Okay, I will tell you all. See, children, we'll give you all 2 common multiples. Now for example, 2 multiples, 6 and 8. 6 and 8. Okay, 6 and 8 tables you have to write. Okay, I have written 6 tables and 8 tables. So 6 1 6, 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18, 6 4 is 24, 6 5 is 30, 6 6 is 36, 6 7 is 42, 6 8 is 48, 6 9 is 54, and 6 10 is 60. Now 8 tables. 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 8 3 is 24, yes, 8 4 is 32, 8 5 is 40, 8 6 is 48, 8 7 is 56, 8 8 is 64, 8 9 is 72, 8 10s are 80. Now observe, children, in this, which are the both the numbers, in both the numbers which are common, same. See here, do you have 6 in both? No. Do you have 12? No. Do you have 18? No. Do you have 14 in both the 24 in both the numbers? Yes, I have 24. So I round up 24. Do I have 30 in both the numbers? No. 36? No. 42? No. Do I have 48? Yes, I have 48 in both. Yes. And do I have 54? No. Do I have 60? No. So the common, that means which is common in both the numbers. So the common multiples is 24 and 48. 24 and 48. 24 and 48. This only is the common multiples. Understood, children? So you can do it in any tables you want. Did you understand this? Yes, children. So now I'll see with the next number. Okay. We'll see with the next number. Okay. 3 and 7. 3 and 7. Shall I write? Yeah. 3 tables. 3 1 is 3. 3 2 is 6. 3 3 is 9. 3 4 is 12. 3 5 is 15. 3 6 is 18. 3 7 is 21. 3 8 is 24. 3 9 is 27. 3 10 is 30. And 7 times tables. 7 1 7. 7 2 is 14. 7 3 is 21. 7 4 is 28. 7 5 is 35. 7 6 is 42. 7 7 is 49. 7 8 is 56. 7 9 is 63. 7 10 is 70. Now we have to see which are the numbers common. Is 3 there in both? 6 there? 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Yes, 21 is there. 24? No. 27? No. 30? No. So, which is the common number here? Yes, the common number is, common multiple is 21. Common multiple is 21. Yes, children. So, I think you have understood this one, common multiples. Yes. Okay, children. Now we are going to see the next checkpoint of 4.12. Dash is the first multiple of 12. So, which is the first multiple of 12? Yes, the first multiple of 12 is 12 only. 12 ones 12. Yeah, B1. The first two even multiples of 5. So, 5, 10, 15 and 20. So, 5, 10 and 20 will be the first even multiples. The smallest multiple of 9 is 9 itself, because it is multiple of 1. Okay, children. So, the next you have to, the other two you have to do. The first common multiple of 2 and 5 is which one? 10. Yes, 10 will be the first common multiple. Okay. Then the number of multiples of 10 from 30 to 60. So, what all will be? 30, 40, 50 and 60. So, there are 4. Okay, children. The next question is, find the first 8 multiples of the following. So, I have written here, I have written 6 tables. 6, they are asked as 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42 and 48. So, these are the first 8 multiples of the number. The rest of the numbers you have to do. Then third question. Which of the following numbers are not multiples of 7? Which are not? In which tables these numbers, in 7 tables these numbers does not go. Or it is not in the table 7. So, 1, 18, 24, 34 and 50 is not there. Yes, children. Next, list the first 5 even multiples of 9. Even multiples of 9. So, 2 nines 18. Yes. 4 nines 36. 6 nines 54. Okay. 9 eights 72. And 10 nines 90. Yes, children. Yeah. Then the next one is, as I have done on the board, it is the same. Find the first 5 multiples and common multiples of the following. First you have to write the 5 multiples of 3 and 7. Okay, in that you have to see which is common and you have to write. I have done the sum on the board. Yes, children. So you can see that and do it. Thank you, children. I hope you have understood this